Can you see yourself in the 2014 Volkswagen Beetle? This vehicle still has fewer than 50,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Enjoy a tour of this iconic Volkswagen Beetle, the fun-loving compact with retro charm. Modern style and technology blend with unmistakable heritage to bring you a delightfully updated take on a true original. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Feel happy vibes kick in when you're behind the wheel of this delightful Beetle. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.